Hey everyone! Want to turn your car screen into a smart entertainment hub without changing your whole system? Today on Tech Product, we're talking about the best CarPlay AI box that can completely upgrade your drive. It is a powerful CarPlay AI box designed to make every trip smarter and smoother. Let's get started. Meet the CarPlay CarPlay AI Box. This small but powerful device transforms your existing car display into a full Android 13.0 system. That means you are no longer limited to basic CarPlay features. You get a smarter, faster, and more flexible experience right on your dashboard. One of the best things about the CarPlay CarPlay AI Box is that it supports both wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Switching between iPhone and Android is super simple. Just tap the AutoCAD icon and you are ready to go. It works smoothly with both platforms, so everyone in the car can connect without stress. Setup is quick and easy. It is fully plug and play. After the first connection, it automatically reconnects every time you start your car. No extra steps, no waiting around. It saves time and keeps your focus on the road. Inside, it runs on the Qualcomm SM6225 processor. This chip delivers strong performance while keeping power use low, so whether you are navigating, streaming music, or running multiple apps, everything feels smooth and responsive. Even during long drives, it stays stable and reliable. Connectivity is another big highlight. The CarPlay AI Box supports SIM cards and TF cards, and it comes with a built-in 4G full netcom module. You can also connect using your phone's hotspot. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi at 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, along with Bluetooth 4.2 and Bluetooth 5.0. This gives you fast internet speeds and stable connections for all your devices. When it comes to storage and memory, you have options. You can choose 4 GB RAM with 64 GB ROM or 8 GB RAM with 128 GB ROM. This means smoother app performance and plenty of space for downloads. You can even expand the storage using an SD card. So go ahead and download your favorite apps, music, and videos without worrying about space. Another great feature is the built-in GPS, Wi-Fi antenna, and Bluetooth antenna. Even if your car does not have native navigation, this device gives you full navigation support. You can download apps from the Google Play Store, stream videos, watch movies, or play music directly from an external SD card. The split-screen function makes things even better. You can run navigation on one side and play a video on the other. It adds both convenience and entertainment to your drive, especially on long trips. Durability is also impressive. The CarPlay AI Box works in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to +65 degrees Celsius. Whether it is freezing cold or extremely hot, it keeps performing reliably. All of this comes in a compact and clean design that fits easily into your car setup. It blends modern technology with everyday convenience, giving you navigation, entertainment, and connectivity in one simple device. Now here is the exciting part. If you want to upgrade your car without replacing your entire system, this is a smart choice. Check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome tech updates. See you in the next one.